Hello, everybody. So this is my '92 Geo Metro. It's a base model. Now, I, um, with this winter being so warm, I didn't want to drive my truck anymore, so I was getting this ready, and I was just basically cleaning it out and stuff, and then, doing my lookovers, and I noticed I got on the ground to see if I had any oil leaks, and I noticed that the frame horn is cracked really bad. So yeah, this is everything I got out of the frame horn just by playing with it with a flathead. Um, I am genuinely like surprised it hasn't fallen apart on me because I beat the hell out of this thing pretty all last summer, um, with burnouts and stuff, and so I'm glad nothing broke on me. So right now I'm just planning on doing a patch job on it, which is obviously not going to be perfect, but anything is better than how it sits right now. There's plenty of professionals out there who could do this way better than me, but with me only having 2 hours of experience after this project with welding, I'm not, I'm just pretty novice. So this is what I got cooking up here. Obviously, I know the best way to fix something like this would be taking out, you know, everything, and I could probably do it a whole lot better if I had everything out, but I don't really care to do that on this car really right now. I know something like this will hold just fine. So if I don't get this in there, I'm just gonna try to weld that top up. That's gonna be a pain in the arse though. It's so thin and it likes to melt, and I have it on the lowest setting, so I don't know. I just kind of have to like let it cool down every little bit. But yeah, that's like really thin. Oh yeah, and it goes all the way back there, and you can see right through that fucking thing. This piece of metal I'm using is actually a front bumper to a lawnmower for like the hood mount. So little, don't throw your scraps away because they'll come in handy later, huh? And this may look like it's pretty easy to do, but I mean, I'm up under the car, welding above my head, and like honestly, I'm looking like a shrimp in there, man. The way my body is. So this was really hard to, I'm up over the CV axle as well, so I'm just trying my best here. It's a little long, but I think we can make do. Go like that. Oops. Just like that. So, this is what we got going on here. Oh yeah! Look at that shit, bruh. Ain't too bad for a fucking rookie. I got it welded up back there, so now I'm just gonna hit this with some spray paint, good old Rust-Oleum. This will be my last coat, I think. Extra thick. as well hit the bolt heads. Oops. Yep. Not bad. There we go. That's okay. You can kind of see it down there.